Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Daily Trader with Kevin Hincks. I have two paper money trades for you today on two high-profile names coming out with earnings after the bell today. So we've got some big action coming up here. First, we'll look at Microsoft and then Meta Platforms, and we'll go through all the details leading up to their earnings release. First, let's go to Microsoft. Now, Microsoft has earnings, again, after the bell. The expected one-day move right around $16. So keeping with our form here, we're going to do, remember, Microsoft, if you look at the chart, I don't know where it's going, but the stock over the last 6 months, down 9%. The last 3 months, down 12%. Off its highs of $468, now trading right around $388. So we looked at something in the call diagonal family, buying the May 16th, going 2 weeks out, buying the May 16th 385 call, which is just a bit in the money, selling this week's 400 call. So buying a 38 implied volatility and selling a 72 implied volatility. And so we put that into a debit about $9.70. It's trading about $10.10 now, as the entire market and Microsoft part of it has come back off its lows. So the makeup of the call diagonal in Microsoft, buying the lower implied volatility, selling the front expiration event implied volatility, in line with the expected move, buying the 385, selling the 400 call. The debit on this spread, trading a little over $10 right now. That's the risk on this trade. You're looking for a move towards the $400 strike. Unlike a calendar spread, this will stay profitable if Microsoft were to move on the upside away from that $400 strike. So a risk-defined call diagonal in Microsoft, buying May 16th, selling the May 2nd. All right, now let's get to our second one, and that is Meta Platforms. Now, Meta Platforms, same story. Earnings coming out after the bell today. Expect to move $38 in Meta Platforms. The front expiration, 121. The May 16th implied volatility, about 59.7. So less than half of what that event expiration is trading at. So again, same idea. Buying the May 16th, selling the May 2nd. Buying the 535 call. Remember, about a $38 move. Traders like to round. Buying the 535, selling the 575 call. The debit on that is about $20.15. It's trading all the way to $20.85 now. So all these names have rallied back late morning here. But again, the risk on the trade, whatever you spend for the trade is the risk. The target is right in line with that expected move of about $40 higher, around $575. And here's the thing, both trades, buying the May 16th, selling the May 2nd, you do have the opportunity to extend duration into that May 9th and create a 1 week call diagonal either soon or later in the week, or when some of that implied volatility comes out. So a 2 week call diagonals in Microsoft and Meta Platforms, the risk on the trade being the debit paid, and you're looking for a move towards $400 in Microsoft and $575 in Meta Platforms. Those are our two earnings trades for today in paper money. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow with another edition of the Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks.